Hello guys, this is Cebu Butterfly once again, and today I'm gonna show you my little pretty girl, no? And the flower vase I have at home, which is made of my pretty girl's feathers, the feathers of her. So here we go, guys. Here in the corner of the house, we have two corners, here and here and there. So I have this flower vase, which is made of the feathers of my guacamaya birds, and they are so cute. And here in the other corner of the house, I also have another flower vase, also made of the feathers of my bird. Also, I also have in the other side of the house, which is this one, made of the feathers of the birds also. So those are my collections for 8 years. Imagine 8 years of collecting those feathers from this little girl. Hello! Thank you for everything! She's, thank you! She gonna bite me. Oh. You wanna kiss mommy? Oh, so cutie me, oh, finally she went out. She's so sweet. But she will bite. She bites sometimes. Kill. I could show to you my flower vase. This is made of the feather of my birds. We have a guacamaya birds here, and when the wolf feathers fell, I pick them up and then I put them right here. So I have a lot of them. The rest, they look so cute. And here's the bird. Hola, mi amor. Hola. Say hi, mi amor. Say hi. Que bonita. You have to help me with this girl. Han, oh, she bites me.
Baby. Okay.
When I walk, she is biting me.
No. Just yell at her and say no.
So that's the girl of the house. She really get mad when I walk because my hands is moving and she's kind of heavy in my hands. So when I walk, she's attacking me because she's like protecting herself at the same time. She's using her beak and bites me. Oh. You wanna kiss mommy? That's all, guys. This is Cebu Butterfly once again. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to like and share. Yes, just shut out. I'm vlogging. I am vlogging. So take 2. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. This is Cebu Butterfly and Lily once again. Please do not forget to like and share and subscribe our channels so you can see more updates of Cebu Butterfly and Lily. Bye, guys. Say hi. Bye.